Music rocks! Yeah!
Well, hello and welcome to the Riddle Song, being presented to you today in standard notation and exact notes. Why exact notes today? I know, it's like a cheesy ad, isn't it? Okay, so I wrote this out. This is the handwritten version. Hopefully we'll have one that's, typeset eventually, a little easier to read, but you can scroll down and see that is in the course as well. And we've got to read the notes. It's got chords. We've got a lot of stuff we can do with this song. The first thing you should do is number your measures. And if you do it right, you'll end up at measure 16. This is the very last one. We have a pickup note here. So we're not going to measure that one, but we're going to start the first measure there. 1, 2, 3, etc. All right, here we go. So whether you're using the standard notes or the exact notes, I can call out the letters if you're using standard notation and the numbers for the exact notes. We're going to start with 1, 2, 3, open D. Actually, let's just go through the letters that you're going to need for this one real quick. So let's play open D. And then the highest note we're going to have in the song is the high G. So we have to go and find each of the letters from open D up through high G. So repeat after me. We'll start with this. D. Whoops. Oops, sorry again. Okay. D, and then E, and then F is fret 3, then open G is the third string, and then A, then open B, you should be playing along with this, and then C is 1, D, then open E, then F, oops, is 1, and then G. Okay, so the pickup is open D, and then all of measure 1 is D, 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 D. And measure 2, D, G, A. A little trickier there. Measure 3 is going to be G for 2 beats and E for 2 beats. Open G for 2, E for 2. Measure 4 is open D, 1, 2, 3, G. 3 beats, 1 beat. Dotted, half note, quarter note. And that last note, that G, is the pickup to measure 5. So we could say like 1, 2, 3, G. And then measure 5 is A, 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 A. And measure 6, open B. Try that one more time. Open B, D, E. Measure 7 is D for 2 beats, and then open B for 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. And measure 8 is A for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, G. A to G. And measure 9, A, G. A, G. Measure 10, open B, D for 2, and then open E. B, D, E, like that. Then 11 is D for 2, and then open B for 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then measure 12 is A for 3 beats, and then open B. 1, 2, 3, B. Measure 13 is 2, 0, 2, 0 on the G string and then the D string. 2, 0, 2, 0. Measure 14 is 2, open G, and then G2. E, G, A. And then 15 is open G for 2, D2 for 2, G for 2, D2 for 2. And then 16 has 3 notes stacked up on top of each other. This is called a triad. It's also the easier version, or the 3-string version of the G chord. We have open G, open B, and third finger on the E string, all in a quick succession, like that. So it sounds kind of like one fast note, just like that. Okay, now if you're able to get through that. That's the first thing. You should be able to find those notes on your own, which can be pretty tricky because this one's moving all over the place. When you can do that, then go on to the next lesson, which is going to be going through each measure, nice and slow, but steady. So if you can find it on your own, then you're halfway there. Round of applause, and good job.
Was that pretty good? Is that a wrap? Everybody, great job. That's it. Real solid.